hanging right off the top of this truck, man. I had a broken bone. There he is. Sideways. Look at that. There he is. Sideways up in there. Couldn't see it before the side by side was in the way. I didn't get to see the run through there because Mike was in the way. But I understand he was watching just like I was. Shit, almost fell out of the truck again. Really gotta quit videotaping up here in the truck. So I'm trying to pull him out, but it ain't moving. No, it's in a hole, man. We're gonna have to get the track over attached to that thing.